Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So let's come to today's discussion. Today the date is July 17th and the time is 11:17. It's long time since I have uploaded my video. So today I thought I'll upload one. Okay, so coming to today's discussion, we have bought two trades. One we had worked on Asian Paints and another we had worked on Hindustan Unilever. So first in Asian Paints I did a small scalping. In Hindustan Unilever I did a conventional intraday trading. So both the techniques will be discussed in detail. First, why I did go for a buying trend today. The first reason is, let's see the chart of Nifty daily chart. What do we see in Nifty daily chart is that it has broken from its daily zone. Okay, that's the first reason for me thinking to go to the buy side instead of sell. And last 2 days we did have a heavy sell also. And today what did I say was it was breaking its daily zone. So today I thought of buying and not selling. Second, now let's come to the orders list. So now first I did a conventional intraday trading in Hindustan Unilever stock. So let's come to the discussion. First, I went to buy side because Nifty was going up. It was breaking its daily zone. That is the thought for me going to the buying side. Next, coming to the stock. Today's stock is Hindustan Unilever. Let's discuss the trade. First, we had an confirmed uptrend. Next, we did get a trend line with breakout, but I didn't enter here. I did wait for the last kiss and I took my entry at this point. I kept my stop loss at the nearby resistance and I just kept a small buffer and I kept my stop loss at this point. And coming to the risk reward ratio, always I do think of a risk reward ratio of 1, but today I could achieve a risk reward ratio of 1.47. So in Hindustan Unilever, we did get a profit of 2,206. Now coming to similar to Asian Paints. In Asian Paints, what I do see is these are the support line and resistance line which I see in its Asian Paints 1 hours chart. So I had a let's come to my 3 minutes chart. Coming to the 3 minutes chart, here we do see a see its resistance points. So here at this point, I did get a breakout at this point, but I had to do a scalping and not my conventional trading. The reason was because I did see the resistance point. So I exited at my resistance point. But actually, what really happened is if we work on this breakout and if we had put done our chart with conventional 1-to-1 ratio also, we could have achieved conventional we could have achieved a profit. It easily broke its resistance zone, but me doing scalping, the reason was I worked on this breakout and I knew that this was the resistance point and it retraced, but it broke the second time. But I uh, exited over here, so I could just do a small scalping and just book a profit of 453. So today totally we have booked a profit of 2,659 rupees. So hope my information was good for you. So do support and comment on the chat box. Thank you. That's all for today.